this is Jennifer with rentportlandhomes.com. I'm here at 17233 Southwest Baseline Road. This is a 2-bedroom townhome. It's now equipped with a Rentley block so you can view it on your own time. Coming into the entrance, we have the bonus room. It's nice wood-like flooring. It does have a half bath attached. On this side, there's the garage. This will take you out to the back of the townhome. Show you the exterior. Moving up to the main level. So we've got the living room, very spacious off to this side. Kitchen. There's also a balcony and a half bath. Here's the balcony. There is a gas fireplace in the living room. And on the next floor, 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and laundry. So stacked washer and dryer. One of 2 bedrooms. The full bathroom. And the second bedroom. All right, you can see more about this property at the website, rentportlandhomes.com. You can also call me at 503-443-9331 to set up a viewing or ask about our properties, or you can use Rentley to access it outside of our regular hours. Again, you can call me at 503-443-9331. Have a great day.